To whom much is given, much is required, and we are blessed in this country. I read all the passages in the Bible. They're mandates, and so if you really want to follow the gospel, that's why I've been a little disappointed while the church leaders who know the gospel very, very well won't pick these issues up. The whole thing with regard to boycott, divestiture, and sanctions, that's soft anti-Semitism. So I would say to whom much is given, much is expected, and I think we have a moral obligation. The bill that Congressman Hall, Democrat, and Smith, Republican, and I put in to take away most favored nation trading status that many people believe helped bring down the Romanian government. In fact, as I would urge you, look at the Reagan diary and look under W. Wolf. Reagan said, Wolf came down, he said, he did, I'm gonna go home and talk to George, yes, George Schultz, he comes back, he takes away MFN. Secondly, I think the passage of the religious freedom, International Religious Freedom Bill. It was the last day. We had a tough bill. Dan called me 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, last day, Senate getting ready to go. He says, I can get this, and I said, well, I'll take that. So Dan passed it in the Senate, threw it over, and I stayed around late, and we took it and we passed it. They can make a tremendous difference if they have the commitment, as I said, commitment, and secondly, willing to pay the price. And if we look in Hong Kong today, Joshua Wong and all the students that are leading the effort, literally bringing the Chinese government down, advocating for human rights and religious freedom, they're 17, 18, 19 to 20-year-olds. So get a commitment, and with that, be willing to pay the price. And if this group here, youngsters, they could change the state and maybe change the country.